Hey guys, it's Riley from Riley's Outlet, and today we are doing a video, and this is a very special video for one of my very special subscribers out there. Well, he's not really special to me, but he's one of my subscribers because I go to school with him. So he asked me, how do you make your squishy machines? So I have this squishy machine and this squishy machine. Both different in their own way. This one you shake to get a prize. Wait, there we go. I got this little twin star. Then this one you twist and all that. So for this, I'm making a new one. And this is my second time filming, actually, because my other one got deleted. So I've done this so far. So what you need for this is a pair of scissors. I have this extra pair of small scissors because they really help for me cutting boxes. Some extra cardboard, because that's what you cut off the top of your box. For my method, a rubber band, a Sharpie, hot glue gun or tape, and cling wrap. And you can use a pencil if you want. But so the cling wrap first you want to cut out a square on the top half, cover it in cling wrap, and then I'm making the coin slot. You don't have to put a reject there, but I've put a reject. It rejects dimes and pennies. I just dropped my penny on the ground. And here, so I'll try and catch it this time. I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but you kind of have to, actually, and it comes out. I have to get my penny because I dropped it on the ground. So, it always drops. Okay, so. Did it come out? Oh, yeah, it came out. Ah! I have to make that better because, there's a little hole on the reject cap. Oh, there it is. It came out. But yeah, I have to make this little push-up bar for the thing because I cut it short on accident. Oh, there we go. Got it now. And I kind of like that I had to restart the video because oh no. The other video was 20 minutes long, and I had a lot of extra information that I really didn't need to tell you guys, but I told you guys anyway. So, oh no, oh, can you see what I'm doing? I have to get a new glue stick because my glue stick is running out, but I'm trying to tape the little push-up bar, glue it, whatever I'm doing. Is that good? There we go. So let's try it now that I have a little push-up bar. Ow! And if you're using a hot glue gun, make sure you have parent supervision because I just burnt myself. And in the last video, I burnt myself 12 times in 5 minutes. Okay, so we are going to get, where did our dime go? Oh, there it is. We're going to try with the penny first. Come out. Did it? Oh no, this is the dime. Oh, okay. Oh, it came out. Perfect. Oh no, the penny's gonna, oh. I have to make the little Oh, and a couple of you asked how I make my reject button. Well, my reject area. And so I took a piece of cardboard and traced the penny, because that's the smallest amount that it doesn't accept. And the dime is smaller than that. So you trace that on a piece of cardboard, cut out the circle, and then I let the nickel and the quarter are bigger, so they won't go through that small hole, because mine is 30 cents, as you guys will see. Oh, I can't get it. Oh my gosh. Why won't it? Oh. As you guys see, it didn't go through. That's because that's what it accepts. So, yeah. I'll see you guys when I've made my slot for my... Wait. No, I'm going to make my push button and see you guys when it's done. And guys, if you want to make this, go ahead and make this. You don't have to tag me, but I would like to, because people on the internet be like, oh, if you make this, you're copying me and you have to tag me and all that. But like, if you make it, you can just make it. You don't have to tag me or anything. Because a lot of people on the internet are like, oh, you have to tag me if you make it, and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. Like, guys, you don't have to tag me. I don't really... Tagging, the thing about that is, like, I don't care about it, but, like, it's kind of annoying at times, because, like, if you want to copy someone's, like, thing, you can just copy it, and they'll be like, oh, nope, you have to tag me, and it just kind of really bothers me. So if you want to make this, go ahead and make this. You don't have to tag me, because tagging gets really annoying sometimes. And I know, because as a YouTuber, I watch YouTube myself, and it can get really annoying. So, you don't have to tag me if you make this. I'm fine if you don't. And sorry I'm not looking at you. I'm not trying to be rude, but, like, I'm also trying to make this machine in under less than, like, 45 minutes. So, yeah. I'm going to see you in like 1 second to you guys, but it's going to be like 20 minutes to me, so. Okay guys, so I just realized that I cut all my cardboard so I wouldn't have an extra flap, so I'm using my blow pop lollipop shop thing that I got. My blow pop lollipop shop blow pop maker. So, yeah, I'm gonna put it like this, so when you look inside the machine, you don't see blow pop lollipop shop maker. It's kind of a weird thing to see in a squishy machine. I'm gonna trace right here. Nice, what's up? Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. So cool. You want to come say hi to the camera? Say hi, JB Coffee Bean fam. She said hi, guys. I'm not sure if you heard it, but she said hi. It was a very interesting hi. Oh, she said hi. I'm still not sure if you could hear that, but say hi, guys. That's her toy.
No, it's my baby.
Oh, it's her baby. Are you stealing Chipitos? Okay, she's so cute. These are cute. I love her little reactions. That's what's up. But guys, that's literally what she said. I was like, what's up, Bean? She was like, I'm getting food. That's what's up. Good answer. Really, really good answer. Like right there. I'm debating on where I should put my flap. Oh, I have to cut off the back. But when I cut off this, how does it lose its size? Oh guys, I have a really bad joke for you. What did the cow say to the milk jug? Do-do. Comment down below. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. 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 Do-do-do. Oh, if you're getting tired of listening to this, pause the video. Do-do-do-do. Okay, so the answer is I am your father. Get it? Because it's like a milk jug. No. It was off my school milk jug, my milk carton, and it was a really corny joke, and it said, what did the cow say to the milk jug? I'm your father. It's a very corny joke, I know. Trust me. I know. Okay, I'm gonna pause it so I can try and do this. Because I just burnt my finger. And guys, if you're making this in your kitchen like me, and you finished, so it's time to clean up, you gotta clean it up. Just like you guys are gonna watch me clean up. Which I'm probably gonna just randomly put it into. Did I get? Oh my God. Oh. Once in a while they get stuck. The pen keeps getting stuck. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but like, guys, it keeps getting stuck. Of course, the one example I want to show, it comes out. But yeah, it keeps randomly just coming out. So I'm going to make the push button like I said instead of the flap. Yeah, bye. Oh guys, I have two random shout outs. One's really random and one I know. Okay, so shout out to Cole the Boy. That is the one I really know. And this is a random shout out to Dumb Ways to Die. I was just singing their song. Sorry about that, guys. Someone rang our doorbell and I had to go get it. Well, of course I asked my mom first, because stranger danger. Make sure you always tell a parent or guardian or ask them if you should get the door or if they should get the door. And make sure to always check out your window, or if you have a window by your door. I had a window by my door. So
We got two windows by our door.
yeah, we have two windows by our door. Okay, so I made my push button. And here is where the rubber bands come in handy. Should probably put a back on this. I just realized that. I should probably put a back on that. So how was your day, Venus? What'd you do?
Play.
Did you make anything? No, not today? That's okay.
I like not making stuff.
You like not making stuff? Yeah, Rover's not a big fan of crafts. I'm gonna pause this video so me and my sister can talk. Okay, guys, it got a little loud because my dad just got home, so I might be stopping randomly at certain times. But I can't get the tape in her. So I'm going to cut my rubber band in half. And I'm putting tape on the end of it.
Mommy, can you open these soon?
Bean, no more.
One more.
Fine.
No, two more.
No. No. Oh. Already, tell her you already had one.
No.
Then I'm going to tell her for you. Pistaos.
I'm gonna bury this one tomorrow.
Bean, there's a lot of them in there.
I know.
There's no reason to hide it. So, I can't get in the little corner.
Can you open this one?
Sure, 1 second.
I wanna see what you
Okay, I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back and I have finished the machine. It is not the best. I'm definitely still working on it. So I'm going to show you the whole routine step by step. So we're going to try this. I'm not sure if it works. So we're going to try this and yeah. Okay, so it's the regular, the dime, rejected, penny, rejected, but the quarter's in there, so it's not rejected. So then you go down here to your slot, push it, and oh, there, it's out. So yeah, I will give you guys a more detailed, like more detailed look. So yeah.